Hi friends, in this video I will teach you that how to use string slicing in Python. So let's start. Here a slice constructor. The slice constructor creates a slice object representing the set of integers specified by a range. This start and stop and step. There are three ranges in this slice, but when we cannot put the more than three ranges. Just we have to use three ranges here. First range is start, second stop. It tells that where should be slicing stop, and step tells that how many steps should escape or move. So these are the simple parts of slicing. Here slice, start, stop, step. These are three steps of the, but stop value is not included. If step value is positive, move forward direction. If step value is negative, move backward direction. So we will see in further details in next slide. This slide show us that how is going on the slicing each other. So you can see that string slicing, this is a variable. So here you can see that 0 1 2 3. It means that slicing starts from the index number 0, then 1 2 and 3, so on. This is positive indexing. If we talk about negative indexing, then it starts from the end side of the positive. It means that this is starting up positive and ending up positive. So negative indexing start from the end and so on. -1, -2, -3, -4. Here if we take example of these things, here I have taken the variable str1. It is a variable. I pass the values 1. It means that starting, and 3 is stop. From where should be start and from where it should be stop. So here you can see result is AC. It means that started from 1. Here you can see 1 started and stop C. It means that stop C here. You can see. So stop C here. Sorry, 2, because start from 0 0 1 2. It means 3. So I got the result here AC. It's the output of 1 and 3. I have another example. You can see here str1. It is a variable, and -3 -3 and -1. You can see that it start from the -1 and end on the -3. So if we talk about the -1, so here you can see that I have taken the example -1. It means the starting point is -1, but -1 value will not be included. I have already told you that -1 value will not be included because it's ending point. Whenever we are going to start from -1, it will the value will be print of -2. Here, see here, -2 and -3 ending point. So this is the end point of negative indexing. Here see AC, the result has been output. You can see here these are the little bit examples of the slicing. You can see on the screen. Here another example, the 0, this is the positive indexing, this is the negative indexing. So now you can practice on these things. I know that you will have a little bit confusing about these things, but if you have any question about these things, you can ask me directly. I will help you out. So I'm going on the next slide. Here this is the same example, index tracker for positive and negative index. A negative comes into consider when tracking the string in inverse. It means that this is the positive index 0 1 2 3 4 5 6. This is positive. This is negative, -1 -2 -3 -4 -5 -6 -7. So I know that you might have understood about this slicing. This is the little bit and a little bit overview about the indexing. And now I want to show you that how to use the indexing in program. So now friends, we are going to work on these slicing on practically. So I have sorted out these examples of slicing for your logic guys. So see here, this is the variable. I have initialized this value in b variable. Now I want to see that how is sliced. See here, 2, its starting point, as I have already told you in the starting. Here 0, 1, 2 means it start from here, and 5, 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, it ends here. So you can see the output 2, 3, 4, and output is from here to this O. So this is simple slicing, and you can do more practice for understanding slicing, that how is it working. We are talking about the next example of slicing. Here I have already assigned the values for knowing you that how am I working on these things. B is equal to hello world, and now I will see that all the points which are included in this sentence. Okay, so print b, this columns means all values will be printed till the 5. It is a stop point here. Colon means all, so I let you know that colon, this means equals to all. So just keep in mind that if I write this thing, just it understand that if I write this, you should understand that it means that all values from the right side will be printed. It means that starting all values will be printed till the 5. So now 1 means 0, h is 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, till the 4 values will be printed. So let's check here. See here, 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, till the 4 values will be printed. See here, all values will be printed here. So now next example, b is equal to hello world. Now I have printed the values, means starting point. I have given here starting point, but I had given here ending point. Starting point, all values will be printed, and ending, just I had initialized ending point here in this program. And now I have given the starting point from where it should be start. So it will be started from here, 0, 1, 2, from L. From this it will be starting, from this it will be started and ending, so on. So let's see here, 0, 1, it has been skipped, now started here, from here, and so on. See here, these has been outputted there right now. So we are talking about negative indexing, as I have done the examples on the positive indexing. Now we are going to learn about negative indexing. As I have written the example here, b is equal to hello world, and print it b minus 5 and minus 2. So let's see. See here, minus 5 and minus 2. So it started from the here, and this is ending point, means start from the 2 and ending point this one. So start from here, see here, L, it is the values, means starting point L, and ending point here you can see 0, 1, 2, 3, 4. Then you can see that there is a values has been printed the front of you. See, you can see. If you have any question on this example, then you can ask me. So next example here, if I print it, see here, I have written this string. I want to slice this string. So see, I have created this variable and slice 3. The value of this starting 3 values means it will be printed starting 3 values. These 3 values. Now see, AST means 3 values will be printed if I write like this. And second example here, slice 1 means start from 1 and from end on the 5, and steps 1 means this start from 1. Which is 1? See here, this one start from S 1 2 3 4 means 5. It will be end on the 5th position means 4. 0 1 2 3 4. See here, there is a value has been printed, but if I remove this one and write there 2, then what will be output? See there, the true values means one value will be escaped from the sentence which has been printed out. So see here, started from 1. I have, you can see S is 1, 0 A, this one S1 A is 0, S is 1. So started from 1 and ending on the I. So there is a skip, means it means that I will be removed, R will be printed, T will be removed, S will be printed. See, S will be printed because, and A will not be printed because we have started from 1. Then it definitely, if I start from the 1, so that value will be shown there, just because this. See here, now see here in this slice, S3 variable. So start -1, ending -12, and steps -2. So if I run, see here this thing, you have to focus on this, and this is the correct sentence which we are going to slice. Okay, so -1, it will be reverse, it will start from the ending, it will be start from the ending. This means -1, it will start from here, G, you can see here G. So how long it will go? -12. -12 values, it's the stopping point of the sentence. It will stop on the -12. So now this is steps, means how many steps should be skipped. So here, if you see there, -2. So -2, it means that G, after that it will be removed N. See here, N will be removed, I will be printed. See, R will be removed, T will be printed, and S will be removed, A will be reprinted. It means that 2 means if we initialize 2, it means that one value will be skipped. So please keep it in mind. So please keep it in mind that if we initialize 2 values, for an example 2 or -2, then it will be skipped 1 values, just like this. There is a skipped N, you can see here N, after that I is printed here, I is printed here, and R is skipped, there is no R. After that T and S is also skipped, and A. So this was the minus, means it means the negative slicing. So it's another example, this is the same. But if we say that I have this code already done above on this line, this is the program of this, it's both are same, but there is a little bit this difference. Prints string in reverse. If I want to reverse any sentence, so I have to write just like this, string, this is a variable, then I want to reverse this sentence in negative form. So how will I do? This is starting point, colons, this is starting point, this is stopping, means all the values should be printed, but in the last it will be reversed. So it will be the reverse all the sentence, just like this, this has been reversed. If I print the real value here, so you can understand easily. Then print string. So now see here, if you see this one and this one, there is a difference. This is the original form and this has been reversed just because of this value. I have reversed all the sentence this. So guys, I have taught you the slicing, how can we slice the values, and I have taught you the many things in this video. I hope so that you will understand all the things. If you have any query, then you can contact me. There is my personal contact number in the description and email address. You can catch me through that. Okay, thank you so much. Keep on watching and like and share this video. Thank you so much.